Have you ever set a big goal only to fail? I've been there, crumbling under the weight of my dreams. But today, I'm revealing why you failed to achieve your goals and how to fix it so you can win. Welcome to Act and Achieve. Let's uncover the truth and transform together. Hit like, subscribe, and let's start this journey right now. I know the sting of failing to achieve your goals. Back in the day, I set a goal to work out daily to get healthy. But after a week, I quit. I was too tired. Then I wanted to learn English to advance my career, but I kept procrastinating because I was busy. Each failure made me wonder, am I just useless? But then I realized, failure isn't your fault. It's a result of fixable mistakes. Today, I'll show you 5 reasons you fail and how to fix them so you never give up again. Are you ready to turn things around? Reason 1, your goals aren't clear. I used to set goals like get better. Sounds nice, but I had no idea what to do. Result? No progress. Make it clear. Instead of lose weight, write lose 5 pounds in 30 days by exercising 3 times a week. Clarity is key. Grab a paper now and write a SMART goal. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Reason 2, you lack an action plan. I once wanted to write a book but didn't know where to start, so I procrastinated. Then I broke it down. Write 200 words a day. Result? Book done in 3 months. Break your goal into small steps. Run 1 kilometer today. Learn 10 words tomorrow. Do it now. Grab your calendar and plan your first 3 steps. Effects. Golden light spreads as they complete the task, lasting 5 seconds. Text. Small plan, big win. In bold, gold appears with a subtle explosion effect, lasting 4 seconds. Background music adds an upbeat violin melody. Reason 3. You're distracted by bad habits. I used to spend hours scrolling instead of studying, but when I turned off my phone and put it out of reach, my focus tripled. Eliminate distractions, silence notifications, clear your desk. Try it now. Turn off one thing distracting you right now. Reason 4. You lack motivation or discipline. I used to abandon goals because I didn't see results fast. But when I tried the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest, I built discipline. Try it. Set a timer for 25 minutes, do one task, then reward yourself. Start now. You'll be amazed. Reason 5. You don't review and adjust. I used to cling to unrealistic goals, leading to failure. But when I reviewed weekly and adjusted, like running less if I was tired, I succeeded. Check your progress weekly. Tweak as needed. Grab a paper and write 3 things you'll adjust today. Now it's your turn. I want to hear your story. Which of these 5 reasons resonates with you? How did you overcome it? Drop a comment below. I'll read and cheer you on. If you've applied tips from our previous videos, share your progress video. I'll feature the best stories. We're a team. Together, we'll achieve our goals. Ready to overcome failure and achieve your goals? Smash that subscribe button. Now ring the bell to never miss a video. Share your biggest goal in the comments. I'll be rooting for you. Let's win together at Act and Achieve. Remember, clear goals, small plans, eliminate distractions, build discipline, and adjust regularly. Tomorrow, we'll learn how to create lasting habits to achieve any goal. Thanks for joining me. Start acting today at Act and Achieve. See you soon.